glow, you need a center, and you need a foam one. And this kit contains 3 ooze bases, 1 ooze reactor, 1 mixing tool, 1 measuring cup, 2 color paints, 1 rainbow paint, 1 city color paint, 1 mixing bowl, 1 bag of foam beads, and 1 instruction sheet. So let's begin making our slime. So when you begin to make the slime, you have to find a flat surface to work on, because if you go down couches and stuff, it's gonna stain. Then mom and dad probably get mad, probably whooping punch you. So when we're making the slime, we have to use a measuring cup. So this is measuring cup, and it said we have to measure 20 milliliters of ooze base.
Here go the ooze base right here.
Okay. So now we have to measure 10 milliliters of ooze reactor. Like, I need to go get some water. No, it's needed. When you need your slime, you have to take your hands and you have to like do it like this so you can get a good texture and base of it.
Boy, you got, go, shoot.